You're listening to the Cyberwire Network, powered by N2K.
The word is SAMM. Spelled S for software, A for assurance, M for maturity, and M for model. Definition: a prescriptive open-source software security maturity model designed to guide strategies tailored to an organization's specific risks. Example sentence: the SAMM framework consists of 15 security practices containing activity sets structured into 3 maturity levels. Origin and context. Initially developed by independent security consultant Pravar Chandra in 2009, SAMM is a maturity model that gives practitioners a way to measure how well they're doing against a set of prescribed best practices across 5 business functions: governance, design, implementation, verification, and operations. This is different from the BSIMM model, Build Security In Maturity model, that provides a baseline of observed software security initiatives and activities from a collection of volunteer software development shops. In other words, SAMM prescribes what organizations should be doing. BSIMM tells you what organizations are actually doing. Sometime in 2016, Chandra donated the first version of SAMM to the Open Web Application Security Project, or OWASP. The next year, April 2017, OWASP released version 1.5 with improvements focusing on the granularity of scoring and allowing partial credit for achieving maturity benchmarks. By 2020, OWASP released version 2.0 by upgrading the Level 3 maturity criteria to favor automation and better alignment with development teams. Nerd reference. In 2009, Chandra keynoted the OWASP MSP conference. In this clip, he highlights 2 very big reasons why a maturity model like SAMM is useful.
I'm sort of a software developer from a long time ago. And then I've sort of been indoctrinated in the security space for, maybe the past decade or so. And I've worked for the last 5 years at least with organizations trying to help them set security assurance programs at the highest level. And one of the things that's always kind of difficult is it's hard to really say what you did. So you get some money from your manager to make some improvements in how you build software. And you say, well, it's better. But you can't really quantify how better it is. Is it a lot better? Is it a little better? It's just better. So hopefully the maturity model is going to help with that as well. And then the last piece is really kind of helping to define concretely how you actually perform individual security activities in your development process. Not only how you perform them, but how do you measure them so that you can see whether or not they're actually being executed at the same level of efficacy everywhere or how they're being done. Basically making sure that we're keeping a good eye on how we're executing things, not just the checkbox approach of, yes, we're doing some code review. Well, how well are you doing? That kind of thing.
Word Notes is written by Nyla Genoe, executive produced by Peter Kilpie, and edited by John Petrick and me, Rick Howard. The mix, sound design, and original music have all been crafted by the ridiculously talented Elliot Peltzman. Thanks for listening.